In this example, we're going to calculate the H plus concentration given the pH of 3.2. We do this using our typical pH is equal to the negative log of H plus concentration formula. We want to know this, but we're given the pH. So what we need to do is plug in, first of all, 3.2 is equal to the negative log of H plus. Next, our goal is to isolate this by itself. So that means we move the negative sign over first. That will give us negative 3.2 is equal to the log of H plus. Next, we need to get H plus by itself. How we can do that is, since the log is here, we can take the antilog of that. Antilog and log will cancel one another out. But if we do it to one side, we also have to do it to the other. So we can take the antilog of both sides. The antilog is the same as 10 to the x, so 10 raised to the power of negative 3.2. 10 to the x and log cancel one another out. We're left with H plus. If we take the antilog of negative 3.2, we'll get 6.3 times 10 to the minus 4. Those are units of concentration and molarity in this case. What that might look like on a typical scientific calculator, in order to enter this, as you can see the line appears that we have our 10 raised to negative 3.2. How did we get that? Well, most calculators you need to hit the second function, find the log button, which is typically where antilog is, and so press this. And so by hitting second function, this button, that gives us the 10x, and that gives, in this calculator, 10 raised to the caret and a parenthesis. Next, plug in negative 3.2, close the parenthesis, hit enter, and notice that we get about 6.3 times 10 to the minus 4.